So it's your first time moving. What to expect? It's one of those things that it is definitely going to be a learning curve, but making sure that you ask all the right questions are definitely going to be able to set you up for a stress-free experience. And if you really think about it, we have a lot of stuff, but we just don't know it because it's all hidden inside of all the cabinets and the drawers. And once you start packing and getting ready for your very first move, those things multiply like wildfire. And all of a sudden, you're like, how did I have all of this stuff? But when it's inside of cabinets, what do they say? Out of sight, out of mind? That's technically the case. So when you're a first-time person looking to move, my number one tip is to make sure that you start early and you're proactive when it comes to packing and packing yourself as efficiently as possible. Using an organization system to where you label things. I love color coding my moves. So my bedroom is yellow, my living room is blue, and all of the items and boxes have the corresponding color. And then I use that same color at the destination location. So when the movers are moving the items, they're at that point just matching colors. So those types of little details that maybe a new person who's first time moving doesn't really know allows you to be able to effectively and efficiently get your items moved. Now, a few other things to consider is, well, when do I begin packing? What type of boxes do I use? Taking all of those into consideration and asking the right questions and making sure that even the moving company, like for us, we offer moving services and packing services. We're a full service moving company. So you can ask your movers tips about how to efficiently pack and ways to pack, because let's say you have a few items that can fit inside of a medium or a large box. Well, putting multiple items in a box, it's a lot more efficient than moving those miscellaneous items randomly. So if you are on a budget and you're looking to be as efficient as possible, asking all the right questions will definitely help get you there. I know when it was my first move, I thought, hey, I own a company, I can do it myself. The time that it ended up taking, hiring a mover versus doing it yourself, are two completely different things. I mean, just think, we do more moves in a day than the average person does in their lifetime. So the amount of time that it takes us to move a 1, 2, or 3 bedroom is significantly less than what it would take the normal person. So allowing a professional, just like in any case, you hire a professional to work on your teeth, your dentist, or a doctor, you go to a specialist. You also want to make sure that you partner up with someone that can help answer all your questions and be able to set your move up for success.